Hey everyone, Said at R U Cars. We are back with this 2013 Audi A5. This is a 3-litre TDi. It's a coupe, as you can see, and it is a 6-speed manual. It's a 245 bhp model. It is the facelift car. It's finished in brilliant red. It's got £7,500 worth of optional extras from new, so it's a really nice spec. It's absolutely gorgeous. Odds on the upgraded 19-inch 10-spoke alloys. It's got the privacy glass. It's done 55,000 miles. It's got 6 services. Comes serviced, MOT'd, with warranty, etc. Look how clean this car is. Parking sensors. Twin exhaust tips. The original one there if you wish to carry any checks out. Absolutely stunning. Very rare car to find with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Most of these are autos. Really nice. Let's show you inside. Start with the boot. Got your split folding rear seats. All very clean and tidy in the boot with your load net. Got your spare wheel under the carpet as well. And your warning triangle up top. Inside, it's got the buff or sand. It's darker than beige. It's very nice interior. It's also got the convenience pack with the electric seats, with the driver's memory, as you can see there. You get folding mirrors as well. You've got the 3-spoke steering wheel, all the usual facelift interior trim. Your 2 rear seats with your armrest and your Isofix. Super nice. Good colour combo. It has got auto lights and wipers, multifunction steering wheel, your cruise control, which is part of your convenience pack. It's also got tech pack high, but we'll go through that in a second. We'll just start the car up so you can see there's no nasties and no warnings.
Type 2 diabetes, and that's different.
No funny noises. And there you go. 55,632 miles. No warnings whatsoever. And all very nice and healthy. As I was just saying, we've got the tech pack high, which gives you navigation, Bluetooth telephone, radio, and also your media interface with the all-important Bluetooth audio, as you can see there. Also got various different bits and bobs that you can play around with the car, including front and rear parking sensors. So it's got the parking system plus. We have got auto climate control with heated front seats, start, stop, etc. And that's about it. Absolutely stunning car. Of course, it is a Quattro. I've not mentioned that. It is a Quattro. All the 3 litres are. Your CD changer in there. AMI. And that's about it. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.